guys, today I've got something huge. This is the brand new Sigma 1740 f1.8 art series for Fujifilm X-Mount. It's the world's first constant f1.8 zoom lens for APS-C, and trust me, this changes the game for vloggers and filmmakers.
Pretty, please. I want it and I want it right now. Give it to me, don't you hold out. Call me needy, call me greedy, I don't care. I like what I like and I don't like to share. I want it right now. 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 Shiny things, diamond rings, all the bling, cha-cha-ching. No limits, just give it, 'cause I want it, designer, I desire all the finer things.
First impressions, it's classic Sigma art build. Sleek, solid, and surprisingly compact for f1.8 zoom. Filter size is 67mm, make it easy to add and the filters for video. This lens gives you versatility. From 17mm is wide enough for vlogging, landscape, and interiors, while 40mm is perfect for portraits and cinematic shots, all at f1.8.
You ain't never seen nothing like this. I'm about to blow your mind with a twist. Hit the lights, here I go, go, go. I make the rules, I run the show. Get ready, get ready, get ready for it. Get ready. I'm in my new era. I'm back. I'm better in my new era. I'm back. I'm better in my new era. New era. Like a phoenix, I rose up. Can't keep me down, I glow up. Won't stop me now, I show up. I'm on fire, flames going high.
Look at the background blurred. Even the zoom and a low light, this thing is a beast. No more noisy ISO struggles.
New era. Stepping into the new era. Say goodbye to the old era. Say hello to the trendsetter. I'll show you how I do the new era. Stepping into the new era. Say goodbye to the old.
This is a dream lens for Fujifilm X shooters who vlog, shoot wedding, or love cinematic video. It's basically like carrying 3 prime lenses like 18mm, 24mm, and 35mm in one body, but with the flexibility to zoom.
Out with the old and in with the new. I'm in my new era.
Price-wise, it's definitely an investment, but considering it's a world first of its kind, it's a solid deal for creators. If you're into Fujifilm and want to ultimate fast zoom, this could be your new best friend.
New era.
Quick shoutout to my friend at AABWORLD, Puncube Mech Wallet, Let's Go Smoke Go, and Kenep Concept Tripod, and the Bento app. Use code BTRPHY to support the channel. So what do you think? Is this the ultimate Fujifilm zoom lens? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gear reviews. See you in the next one.
Like to see you try, 'cause you should know by now. You can't figure me out, no. You should know by now. You should know by now that
If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.
gotta switch it up, gotta switch it up. I know I confuse you. You might think I'm trying to, but the truth is, I'm not even thinking about you. Ooh, I know you don't get